This is a psychoanalysis workshop special. You got an idea, if you watch this video, of the amazing style that we have for our analysis and how our four analysts also all use this approach, all with their own variations, of course. What's this workshop? Well, it includes my work, the Slim's method of analysis. I developed this over more than 50 years. I pioneered this new approach to chart analysis, a structured process for understanding market cycles. And this, if you sign up for this, you get lifetime online access. No special platform required. Access anytime from any device. You will definitely experience better directional decisions and learn to project in time and price. That's so different from most styles of analysis. You get 26 online video modules, plus many of our tools for text videos included in that. I mean, there's just days and weeks of study that you can do there. It's just amazing. It took me 2 years to write that and 6 months to produce it. There is so much that we've added to it also. And there's bonus items in there. You get the dedicated Slim AI coach. And it can really help you with the just amazing abilities that it has to explain every single of these modules in this workshop to you. It engages with you in such a personal way. You can ask it to quiz you. There's so much that it can help you with. That's the Slim AI coach. That's right there embedded on those pages. And you'll get all of our addendums that we have in there that we've recorded since the original release. You can go to askSlim.com to purchase that. Now, this is an amazing offer. You save $400. It's just $897 now instead of $1397. And our level 2 to 4 members save an extra $100. So if you're not a member, become a level 2 to 4 member. And then write to Matt at askSlim.com and ask him for that special discount link that takes it only down to $797. What an amazing! You could easily, for this type of a workshop, pay thousands and thousands of dollars. And you will just never look at charting the same way when you sign up and learn this and spend the time. Go to our website, top right side, you can see right up over there, askSlim.com. Click on that, it gives you more information, and the sign-up link is there. And remember, if you're level 2 to 4, write to Matt at askSlim.com, ask him for the special link, and you will save another one of our just amazing $100 offers. And also, if you're a very first-time member, and you've never been around, ask Matt about our special level 4 offering that you see right up over there. Imagine getting that great deal, becoming a level 4 member, and then saving the extra $100 on the workshop. What a fantastic offering. Ask Slim Psychoanalysis Workshop. Now's the time. Click on that and learn more.